welcome to the notes that go along with Investigation 4 from 1.1. We are going to be talking about the quotient of powers property. The word quotient, remember, means the answer to a division problem. So the first part, make sure you are filling in the blank. The quotient of powers property states that when you are dividing two exponential expressions with the same base, you are going to subtract the exponents. It has an algebraic explanation below. A to the m over a to the n equals a to the m minus n. Let's continue with an example. 2 to the 6th over 2 to the 5th is written like a fraction, but remember, fractions are also a way to show division. So this is a division problem, so we are going to subtract the exponents. But let's first expand our exponents. Here we are going to expand 2 to the 6th, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, times 2 times 2, all over 2 to the 5th. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then we can just cancel out any 2 from the top that matches with a 2 from the bottom. So there's 1 on top, 1 on bottom, 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 top and bottom. We are left with 1, 2 in the numerator. So that can be written, remember, 2 over 1 is a whole number. So what's our answer? 2. Below are written the steps. So step 1, we expanded. Step 2, we canceled out the common factors. And then step 3, we wrote it in simple form. Notice that when you blank the exponents, 6 and 5, the difference is 1. That blank, when you subtract the exponents, 6 minus 5 equals 1. The difference, remember, means the answer to a subtraction problem. So the quotient of powers property is a shortcut of rewriting division expressions with the same base. Now let's look at a division problem when the bases are negative and there are exponents. Using the same steps that we followed up here, expand is first. So let's write out negative 2 to the 6th power is going to be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And remember, there are parentheses, so that negative sign must go to each of the 2's in the expanded form. So let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 5 more negative 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, step 2 is that we cancel out the common factors. And remember, a common factor is just saying a negative 2 and a negative 2. They have that in common. A negative 2 and a negative 2. Boom, boom, and boom. And what are we left with? 1, negative 2. That can be written as negative 2 over 1, but the simplified version would be just negative 2. Okay, so we simplified and we did steps 1, 2, and 3. So remember, you can always use the expansion to remind yourself what operation you should use on the exponents. Remember that when working with exponential expressions with the same base, the base does not change. Never divide or subtract the bases. Okay? Look back again and make sure that you've filled out the notes as I did, and watch again if you need. Best of luck.